Hi, welcome to my own little vlog. This is me. I look like a dork. And here it is. I'm riding to the mountains to go and find some painting areas. And there's a trail. And I'm gonna go find our secret spot. It's a little bench. So this is me and my friend Hannah. She joined me for my little Sunday out. And as you can see, it's a little secretive, but it gives you a nice little spot on the ledge. There's a lot of bushes and trees, so it wasn't like the greatest spot to paint, but I found a little nook that I liked. So I'm just gonna let you watch this. Or you can just fast forward it and just get past it and see a lot of little cute riding shots of me and Hannah. Or you can just watch the whole thing, whatever you want. Okay, now it's kind of at the end, so get ready for all the fun, regular stuff outside of the painting. I brought us some pupusas, some really yummy Salvadorian, I believe, cuisine, and we just shared a day out in the sun. So, that's Hannah. Oh, and the Pedal Homie shirt, pretty awesome. Here's the final little thing. It's not the greatest, but here's my setup. Check us out, look at the mountains. Look at us go, climb, climb, climb. We got this, super spinny. We got it, easy peasy, beautiful cover girl. And that's what we like to do, ride our bikes in the sun. And I, add a little extra with some flowers. Look at this beauty. Look at that beauty. How about this one? Oh, and here's the final. And this is probably the best part. Watch how rewarding this is. Get to peel it off. Clean corners. Last one. Check it out. All right. Oh. Thank you for being here. I hope you liked it. This is my first one, and hopefully more to come. Thank you. Bye.